Hello everyone, my name is Sonam Narayan and I'm currently pursuing BA LLB from UPS Dehradun. I'm in my fourth year and I'm interning under the LEXIS and Company. And before beginning and going further with my topic, I'll just like to say the disclaimer here that this video does not solicit any types of promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India, and the sole purpose of this video is for educational purposes only. My topic for today's video is the important features of the Environment Protection Act. So how the penalties are being given under the Environment Protection Act for contravention of the provisions of the Act. So the Act says that whoever fails to comply with or contravene any of the provision of this Act or the rules made or orders or directions issued thereunder shall, in respect of each such failure or contravention, be punishable with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 5 years, or with fine which may extend to 1 lakh rupee, or with both, and in case the failure or contravention continues, with additional fine which may extend to 5,000 rupees every day during which such failure happens. Or if the contravention continues after the conviction for the first such failure or contravention, then also the additional fine will be applicable. Now, if the failure or contravention continues beyond the period of 1 year after the date of conviction, the offender shall be punishable with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 7 years. Now, what is its effect of other law? So, it says that the provisions of this Act and the rules or orders made therein shall have effect notwithstanding anything inconsistent therewith contained in any enactment other than this Act. So where any act or omission constitutes an offence punishable under this Act and also under any other Act, then the offender found guilty of such offence shall be liable to be punished under the other Act and not under this Act. So if two act if a person commits an offense which is chargeable under this Act as well as the other Act, so what will happen in that case? So in that case, that person will be of the offender found guilty of such offense shall be liable to be punished under the other Act and not under this Act. All right. Now, what will happen, or how the offenses by the companies are being, charged and being tried? So, when an offense is committed by a company, then every person who at the time of the offense was committed was directly in charge of and was responsible to the company for the conduct of the business of the company, as well as the company shall be deemed to be guilty of the offense. So if a company, if an offense is being committed by a company, then in that case, the person who were in the position to give order for that work will be held liable, and they will be deemed to be guilty of the offense, and they shall be liable to be proceeded against and punished accordingly. It also says that any such person liable to any punishment provided in this Act, if he proves that the offense was committed without his knowledge, or that he exercised all due diligence to prevent the commission of such offense, then he shall, then that person shall be